This is an interesting problem. I've got 8 to the x power over 2 to the y power. And the relationship between x and y is 3x minus y equals 12. Well, the first thing I notice is that 8 is like 2 to the third power, right? And one of the easiest ways to solve for 3x minus y equals 12 is just to make x 4. I mean, let's just try those numbers. So this is strictly a plug-in answer. So if I plug in here, where the 8 has a little 4 in the above, right? 4 times 3 makes 12. And remember, this is going to be 0. That 0, and this one's going to be 4. So it works out to be 12 over, 12th power, 2 to the 12th power. And that was one of the answers. So the trick is to plug in a number and test it. What number could x be? And so this is where I was looking right there. 3x minus y equals 12. Well, 3 times 4 minus 0 is 12. And this problem checks your ability to use 2 to the 0 power, because that usually confuses people, 2 to the 0 power. I hope you found this interesting. Again, we're looking for tricks. It looks complicated until you just start plugging in numbers for the x and y. Sometimes it will reveal itself. Remember, when you see an 8 and a 2, there's a reason those are there. There's a reason. So you can look at it and you can say, whoa, I see a relationship between these two. That's partly why they did this.